Welcome again to Budget with Brian. And you've heard me rattle on enough times before about battery platforms. And here we have a Makita battery, and here we have a smaller 1.5 Bosch battery. And just recently, just as a matter of interest, I bought a carrier to screw on the wall to locate and store batteries. And the good thing about that is it is
pensioner proof.
It fits at least Bosch and Makita, and in the blurb it will fit other batteries as well. But what is news, big news, is that Bosch have announced that they are going to open up their battery platform to other manufacturers. Now, for the time being, that's none of the other big ones, but isn't that interesting? Metabo have been playing about with it for a little time. As we know, they're owned by Hikoki, but they have this cordless alliance system, CAS, which means they're trying to share their battery platform with others as well. What it takes in order to improve all of our lives in the battery powered tool world is for the big manufacturers, DeWalt, Makita, people like that, to allow or manufacture batteries to fit other machines. Can't see that happening easily, but you know what? Wouldn't it be fun if somehow they agreed to that kind of terminology, that technology rather, and went to someone like Tesla, who are preeminent in the battery technology field, and take advantage of what Tesla could bring to the market. Hey, breaking news. If you were like me, you looked at Elon Musk's discussion about new battery techniques that he's bringing in for his cars, that may very well be the movement that we need within the power tool industry. They are going to be higher powered. They can be used by other manufacturers. If they can be used by other manufacturers, we've got groundbreaking technology hitting the ground. All we need now is the manufacturers to see that as the advantage that helps the breakthrough into the next generation of battery powered tools. What do you think? Isn't that inconceivable to make these things compatible? Because if a little carrier like that can take that battery and that battery, it's not inconceivable to think a little bit further down the track and say they could be compatible with the tools themselves. After all, some manufacturers are good at manufacturing some types of tools, but don't want to manufacture the other kind of tools. A classic example might be garden tools, for example, or chainsaws, or all of those things that perhaps are better in other people's hands than someone like a main tool manufacturer, because the sheer volumes of manufacture. You know, so there's room here, I think. Good on you, Bosch. Keep up the good work. Good on you, Metabo. You too, keep up the good work. Thank you again for watching Budget with Brian. And don't forget, we're on YouTube, Twitter and
Instagram.
Instagram. Thank you.